Don't look, I'm not ready. Beans. Okay, so this is another fairly easy one. You can see there aren't very many ingredients here. This is shredded pork burritos, according to my friend who made this recipe. So basically, I don't have any tortillas here, but you can use this either standalone or as the filling for burritos, which is good. It works either way. The recipe doesn't call for any seasonings to be added in, so I'm just leaving it plain right now, but I guess I'm breaking my own rule already by adding in an extra can of green chilies on here. But I love green chilies, and also you can see instead of doing the tomatoes and green chilies, I'm making it extra spice by doing tomatoes and habaneros. These two are the toppings for it, so you can add in whatever you want since it is burrito filling anyway. We got our cheese and our sour cream, and then this is just something I thought I could do on the side, so whatever. Before I forget, the total cost for all of this was $16.16. So this is on the super cheap side, which is good because it's really nice and it works and it's easy. So other than that, let me go ahead and get all this started. So here we are with all of our cans prepared. What I'm gonna do first is put in one of these ranch beans to line the bottom. That way it doesn't make the pork stick to the bottom of the pot when it's cooking. I rinsed this off also because otherwise it's covered in like weird juices that I don't like, so I made sure to rinse those out first. That's also, how much is that? Like 2.5 pounds? I don't remember. I'll look at the wrapper. Yeah, so once you put that in, your goal is to just cover it with everything else. So let me go ahead and do that. Ew. This can is the only one that you need to drain. Everything else you leave as is. So that's pretty much it. We now put this on low for 8 hours, but I'm just gonna take a spoon and kind of smash that up so it's not just a cylinder of refried beans. Ooh, look at that. It smells pretty good. So at this point, what we're supposed to do is pull it out and shred the pork, but it's pretty soft, so you can pretty much just put a spoon in there and stab it a few times and it'll shred itself. So I'm going to do just that. Ah! Look at that, picture perfect every time. Beans. Here it is, our final product. We'll kind of zoom in a little more. Can't really say that's picture perfect, but I mean, that's about as good as it'll get with being without any extra toppings. Of course, you can put in whatever other toppings you want. Mine was just the cheese and sour cream, but you can put like hot sauce or jalapenos and I don't know, whatever else you want, salsa. I don't know. It's burrito toppings, yeah. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed this and have fun making it. I will see you later.